In the ever-changing world of AI, we've seen some pretty amazing advancements, but we've also faced some not-so-great moments. As AI continues to shape our industries and daily lives, it's important to remember the lessons we've learned from the past. So, let's dive into some of the worst AI failures that have made us sit up and take notice. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments if there's anything I missed. Let's start with Google. In 2015, Google released Google Photos for photo sharing and storage. They also introduced a new feature which can automatically categorize photos using machine learning. But everything didn't go as expected. The app tagged 2 black people as gorillas, according to Jackie Alcine, a web developer who spotted the error and tweeted a photo of it. "Google Photos, y'all fucked up. My friend's not a gorilla," he wrote on Twitter. Google apologized and said it's tweaking its algorithms to fix the problem. Even after 2 years of this incident, Google just fixed the issue by removing the gorilla tag, so even if there is a photo of gorilla, it can't be recognized. While the Google Photos mishap highlighted the potential for racial bias in AI systems, an even more alarming example of an AI going awry occurred Microsoft's chatbot called Tay. In 2016, Microsoft released Tay, an artificial intelligence chatbot designed to develop conversational understanding by interacting with humans. But Tay proved a smash hit with racists, trolls, and online troublemakers who persuaded Tay to blithely use racial slurs, defend white supremacist propaganda, and even outright call for genocide. Microsoft soon made Tay offline for upgrades and deleted some of the worst tweets. Many of the really bad responses appear to be the result of an exploitation of Tay's repeat after me function, and it appears that Tay was able to repeat pretty much anything. Peter Lee, the vice president of Microsoft Research, said that the company was deeply sorry for the unintended offensive and hurtful tweets from Tay. While Tay's controversial journey highlighted the dangers of unchecked AI interactions, the Amazon AI hiring mistake revealed deeper systemic biases embedded within algorithms. Amazon had been building computer programs since 2014 to review job applicants' resumes, with the aim of mechanizing the search for top talents. But Amazon's machine learning specialists uncovered a big problem. Their new recruiting engine did not like women. By 2015, the company realized its new system was not rating candidates for software developer jobs and other technical posts in a gender-neutral way. It penalized resumes that included the word women's, as in women's chess club captain, and it downgraded graduates of 2 all-women's colleges. Amazon soon ditched the algorithm and declined to comment on the recruiting engine or its challenges, but the company says it is committed to workplace diversity and equality. But in China, it's a whole different game. Since 2017, numerous Chinese cities have taken strict measures against jaywalking by investing in advanced facial recognition systems and AI-powered surveillance cameras. These technologies are used to identify and publicly shame jaywalkers by displaying their photos on large screens. While China has made significant progress in integrating facial recognition into everyday life, there are still some systems that require improvement. A recent incident involving Dong Mingzhu, the chairwoman of Gree Electric Appliances, China's largest air conditioner manufacturer, highlights the need for change. Dong's face was mistakenly captured by an AI-backed surveillance system, while her image was displayed on the side of a moving bus in the port city of Ningbo. The traffic police in Ningbo quickly acknowledged the error and promptly deleted the snapshot. They also announced plans to upgrade the surveillance system to minimize false recognition incidents in the future. Gree Electric Appliances expressed no hard feelings towards the Ningbo traffic police and even thanked them for their efforts in a post on Sina Weibo. This is not the only incident AI cameras went wrong. In October 2020, when the COVID-19 pandemic often meant trying to avoid employing human operators, a Scottish soccer club resorted to using an automated camera to record a match. The automated camera worked well for a while, merrily recording the match. However, once the game was underway, the camera started mistaking the shiny bald head of a lineman for the ball itself. In an extremely hilarious turn of events, it kept denying viewers of the real action by focusing on the poor man's head. But do you know what's worse than watching a bald head in a football game? It's definitely being hit by a robo-taxi. Late on October 2nd, a driverless car belonging to Cruise hit a pedestrian in San Francisco, leaving her critically injured and fighting for her life. The incident took place after the pedestrian was struck by another vehicle in a nearby lane, which caused her to be thrown into the path of the Cruise AV. The car, mistaking the collision as a side impact, continued for about 20 feet at a speed of 7.7 miles per hour, dragging the pedestrian underneath. This unfortunate event occurred as the car was trying to pull over to the curb for safety. Following the accident involving the pedestrian, co-founder Vogt resigned, and GM announced the withdrawal of hundreds of millions in funding. Cruise is now under government scrutiny, facing potential fines amounting to millions of dollars and an uncertain future. Cruise lost millions of dollars in funding, but Google lost $100 billion in valuation when its new Bard AI made a mistake in the demo video. On February 8, 2023, Google made an announcement about its AI chatbot Bard, which was meant to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT. However, things didn't go smoothly for Bard, as it made a factual error during its first demo, according to experts. Google shared a GIF showcasing Bard's response to the question, "What new discoveries from the James Webb Space Telescope can I tell my 9-year-old about?" Bard provided 3 bullet points, one of which claimed that the telescope had taken the very first pictures of a planet outside our solar system. Unfortunately, astronomers on Twitter quickly pointed out that this information was incorrect. In fact, the first image of an exoplanet was taken back in 2004, as stated on NASA's website. As a result, Google faced a significant setback, with its market valuation dropping by $100 billion. The inaccurate information shared by Bard in the promotional video and the underwhelming company event raised concerns about Google losing ground to its rival, Microsoft Corp. Google also encountered issues with its Gemini AI generator. The tool was designed to generate realistic and diverse images of people based on text prompts. However, users discovered that the tool often failed to accurately depict historical figures and individuals of different nationalities. Even when explicitly requested, the tool tended to portray them as white. For instance, users shared images generated by Gemini that depicted the US founding fathers, popes, Vikings, and German soldiers during World War II as people of color. Acknowledging the problem, Google temporarily suspended Gemini's ability to generate images of people. The company is currently working on updating the model to enhance the historical accuracy of its outputs. As we've seen through these alarming examples, even the most advanced AI systems are not immune to failures, biases, and errors that can have serious real-world consequences. However, rather than discouraging AI advancement, these incidents underscore the critical need for responsible development practices centered on thorough testing, auditing, and ethical guidelines. Moving forward, the AI community must prioritize fairness, accuracy, transparency, and accountability, implementing robust processes to identify and mitigate biases and potential harms before deployment. Despite the challenges, embracing ethical AI principles is essential to realizing the remarkable potential of AI in addressing humanity's greatest challenges. Thank you for watching. Support me by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Also, subscribe for more contents. See you soon.